Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn on how to create an AMI, Azure Machine Image. AMI is basically a virtual technology using which we can create multiple identical instances. So these multiple virtual machines, they rely on the root volume to carry the certain instances. Okay, suppose you have a requirement in your project, and according to your requirement you have created one virtual machine or server or an instance. Now you've been told to make multiple instances like that, same instances. So either you'll have to create each instance manually, or the effective way is that you can create an AMI once you're done with your required machine, and whenever you want, whatever, how many instances you want, you can create very easily, very quickly using your AMI. So refer to the picture shown in here, that first of all you'll have to create one template or a snapshot, and you can register that as an AMI. Once an AMI is registered, you can launch instances using that. Once you're done with your requirement, you can deregister your AMI. And to start that, let's move to Amazon console and sign in with your root account. So I'm in my console, and this is a machine for which I want to create an AMI. I'll go to actions, image and templates, and I click on create image. I'll give it any name and a description based on my work, current requirement, my project, anything. I'll give a description so that if in future somebody will refer my AMI, they'll get to know what kind of AMI and what work or project it belongs to. If you want to get rebooted, you can enable the reboot. See, this volume and this description is as per the reference image. If you want to amend it, you can amend it. If you want this image to get terminated as soon as you close it, if you want to delete it on termination, enable this checkbox, otherwise disable it. You can add multiple volumes as well. You can add tags as well. Tags are just for the segregation. If you have multiple AMIs, how you segregate, so you can create tags. Once you're done, click submit and your AMI will be there. You can click on this AMI ID to directly launch the AMI. Otherwise, go to the search bar and write AMI. Once you write AMI, click enter. You will be navigated to the AMI dashboard. See, here is the AMI. If you want to create images instances from that, or if you want to refer what is the details of this AMI, you can select the AMI and just explore the opportunity. Under action, if you go, you'll find options if you want to copy AMI, edit, and there are many more. So go ahead, explore your opportunity. Now if you want to launch instances from this AMI, go to this option and launch. Thank you.